So now it's completely dried. I plan to make, because this is a green setting, I plan to make a chameleon on top of that. So I found this picture on the internet, and I am drawing this on the shelf liner. This is the shelf liner, and I'm gonna cut it all the way. So the plan is that I would like to put that shelf liner right here, and then pour once again with the same colors. Let's see, looks so pretty on this. Let's see if I can replicate that on canvas here. Let's do it. So first we have to cut it. So let me just So this thing is dried now, so I think I can safely take this off. I have to start filling the details, and that I plan to do it with the either Posca pen or with more brush. So this is the log. Let's begin drawing the log. So this is our chameleon. I know I did the swipe and then I finally resort to making dots. Actually, initially I wanted to do dots. Then I thought all the white was appearing from the bottom. So that's why I swiped. And after swiping, I wasn't still not satisfied. So I dotted the colors again. So here you can see focusing failed. Okay, I hope now you can see. It's still not done. Once it's dry, I'm gonna do some of the gold work here and I'll create some of the leaves here. But at this time of the process, this is our chameleon. So this is the dried piece, but if you look at the background, I was thinking it is looking a little bland, so I started making these leaves. So nothing, I'm just using this Posca pen, and I plan to add a little bit more substance to the embellishment for this one, because here it looks very bland, and since our chameleon is on tree, I'm thinking maybe I can add some leaves. I started with the gold one, so let's see. Let's begin. So I think I'm finally done. It took a long while for this piece to finalize this piece, I should say, because even though I made this, I thought this is not complete, and then I thought I have to put these leaves, but before putting these leaves, I had to thought hard enough. Should I do it? Should I not? Will I so everybody was telling me, if you make anything else, you will subdue the chameleon as it is, so don't do anything. But you know, I had to do something. I was thinking just not complete, so I did this with golden leaves. The rest of the background on top is our old swipe, and even the leaves inside is the same thing. So what do you think? Did you like it without the golden leaves at the bottom, or do you think now it looks more complete? So after making this chameleon, I did these golden leaves in the bottom and little shading, just to give it some kind of 3D look. I am not sure whether I was able to do it. Let me just pick it up. But I like how this chameleon is shining, how the embellishment, and this is all by Posca pen. I didn't use anything else, and so this is the final one. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.